Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here with a in-depth, honest review of a product called the Affiliate Whisperer by Tom E. and Max G. And I did go through the entire course. Okay, so you landed on the sales page, probably seen it already, and you're here looking for a review video, or you may have got this video from an email that was sent out. Either way, however you found us, I want to go ahead and go into the members area. Okay. So I did go through all the videos in the members area. So go ahead and show you. And I'm going to give commentary on each video and what my experience has been with certain things, and just give you my thoughts on it. But before I go through each video, I want to go ahead and explain the bonuses you get that when you pick up the Affiliate Whisperer. Okay. So I'm gonna go through that right quick. And here is the doc of what the Affiliate Whisperer is in a nutshell. And it's a fast start affiliate system designed for beginners to make their first commission within hours without a list, audience, or prior experience. It gives you a pre-approved offer, step-by-step setup, and a plug-and-play traffic system that sends free buyer traffic to your unique link. You don't need any tech skills or connections. Just follow the simple steps, activate the included traffic, and let the system go to work. Now, while I did have ChatGPT scan the page for in a nutshell, I do want to be clear on what it did spit out here. Um, for the pre-approved offers, he does talk about offers that you do get approved for. Nope, no issues at all if you're totally new and don't have stats. So that's what that part right there with the pre-approved offers, they do help you with that. Okay. The plug and play traffic system, there was something that said you don't need any tech skills or connections. Now, for the traffic that they mention in the course, which I'm going to go through the sites that were mentioned, but the main traffic one, I'm not going to mention it just yet because I want to go through the members area before I do. They talk about something that does require some tech. So, I mean, it did get the scan off the sales page, so it wasn't like it scanned the members area. It had to scan a members area, it gave a better in a nutshell. But it's not far off for us as far as the nutshell. Okay, now the core bonuses you get when you pick up the affiliate whisperer AI. I'm getting all like flustered over here. These will be included inside the product, and the value of them is priceless. Of course, I had to put priceless because they didn't tag no values, which is always wise to tag values on your sales pages. They just kind of just threw it in there. So I just wrote priceless, which it has a higher value than that. So we're basing mainly the overall bonus value off of my exclusive bonuses, which are right here. Okay, so when you pick up the affiliate Whisper, okay, from Tom E and Max G, these will be your exclusive bonuses. Okay, the first bonus will be a rapid start checklist worth $47. It's a printable step-by-step action map to help you complete the system setup in under 30 minutes. Perfect, give or take. 30 minutes. Perfect if you're short on time or easily overwhelmed. Okay, so a nice little checklist. But I think these last two bonuses are really going to tickle your fancy. Okay, the second bonus you get will be a custom GPT that I created. Okay, and the name of it's called Promo Partner AI Custom GPT. It's worth $97, and it helps affiliate marketers unpack offers and write high converting campaigns fast. Okay, AI is fast, so yeah, that's what it does. That custom GPT. Now, for your third bonus, you get access to how to create a potent AI email promo of the course. Okay, it's worth $67, and what it's going to do, it's going to help affiliate marketers. I actually forgot to fill in this part. So what it's going to do, let me go ahead and pause the video and fix that so I can, y'all caught this blunder right here. So let me go ahead and fix what it really is. Okay, so BRB. Okay, so I had to fix that right quick. So basically, the third bonus helps you to understand how to create a very powerful email promotion, leveraging even more AI, of course, with the tactics that I show, Chris. The tactics Chris shows you when prompt engineering and using video as your main bridge to tripwire the affiliate sale. Okay, I go into detail about that as well. It does require you to do video content. Now there are ways, that even the course talks about. I'm gonna show those sites, guys. So stay tuned all the way to the end. Even the course talks about to do faceless videos and have AI come up with the scripts. Okay. Now as far as the traffic and all, I'm kind of getting ahead of myself here. You get these are the bonuses you get. So that's the recap. You get your rapid start check sheet, checklist. You get your promo partner AI custom GPT, and you get access to how to create a potent AI email promo with leveraging video as well. Okay, so let's go into the members area. In the members area, you'll come across the introduction video. Watch that, of course. Why most people fail goes into that. Now, these first two videos is actually Tom E. Talking to you, speaking to you, and this is where the modules start. Okay, now Max is doing the rest of the training. Okay, so in the first, he talks about the overview and what to expect from the course. It's only 2 minutes long, just kind of an overview. Module 2, what to make and want to make affiliate commissions. These are the sites we use. So they show you the sites that they use. Okay, in that one, and guaranteed approval to one of their highest earning offers. So you could get the affiliate details for that. I believe it's emergency marketing kit, or yeah, emergency marketing kit. I think it's called. Um, and this is the interesting one. This is the longest video. How to generate leads in any niche in minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go through that site in a minute. Okay, in a minute. Stay tuned all the way to the end of this video. Okay. All right, and it's the longest video. It's 43 minutes long. Don't let it intimidate you. It's actually something you should get excited about because he showed me something I didn't know with this. And I have the autoresponder he shows to build the email list with what he shows, the same autoresponder. So I was like, wow, that's genius. So let's set that up. Should give that case study so you guys know that what he's showing you works like crazy. Okay, and he even shows you proof from this traffic source. Okay, 482 new leads in a few days. He shows you after he turns the campaign on the power and possibilities of this. Now, when I went through this, I was like, it's kind of too good to be true. But I'm gonna get into it. We're gonna recap and finish the video. Okay, bonus 5, the bonuses, the power of bonuses, why people buy just for your bonuses and how to create them easily. My bonus as well, the how to create effective or potent email promos will also go into detail. Max goes into extreme detail. So this product is a very, very, very solid. It's a very good product, guys. All right. He gives you stuff that you can take and implement right away. Right away. Right out the gate. Okay. So when you go through the training, implement it as you go. Okay. Implement it as you go. Set everything up as you go. He shows you how to set up the the autoresponder, and he shows you how to set up the traffic source to get yourself going, get the momentum going. Okay. All right, and he said in module 6, they why sending freebies to your list builds trust and boosts sales. He goes into detail about that. Module 7, how I write promo emails that actually convert. Now, in this video, when I watched it, it was like something I was already doing. Of course, they made it like more simplified and without any kind of like video to really complement the promotion as far as like unpacking the actual affiliate offer with your bonuses as well to give the audience that may be interested in buying the offer from your link as opposed to just some Joe Schmo that direct links. Okay. It gives them, uh, let's see, man, I lost my train of thought. Anyhow, so how to write promotional emails actually work. What I was saying is I kind of follow similar steps, okay? But what he's showing is just kind of like without any video. That's what I was getting at, okay? Because I hate when I lose my train of thought. It's aggravating. Anyhow, so you can access his actual promo mail here. Now, I have it up here on the screen. And one thing I noticed when I was reading the email, like, let's see, there was the promo email. Okay, this is what I've noticed. This was one of his promos that did very well. I noticed he didn't mention it in the course, but I noticed he had a period between free and between the B and Y and buyer. And when you go through, you could see that it looks like it was intentionally done. Okay, some of the mispronunciations or the misspells, expensive. Like there's a period between the E and the X. The only thing I can think of why they would even do something like that. Let me zoom in if you can't see. Like right here, for example, I see a lot of this going on. The only thing I could think of is they do that so that certain trigger words, like right here, traffic. You see how they got the exclamation for the I? I noticed that that was in there quite a lot. Like bonus, they got a zero for the O in bonus. And like I said, the only thing I can think of is the reason why they do that is to so their open rates don't get affected when they send the email. Because a lot of email providers will have trigger words that'll put emails into promotions folders or updates folders or even in the worst case scenario spam folders. So that's the only logic I can think of as to why they would misspell certain things in here, like certain trigger words, money, buyer, traffic. Like it kind of gives away free, like certain trigger words, investment, like any way you can like switch it up. So that made sense why they have it like that. He didn't mention it in the course, but that's the only logical thing I can think of as to why they would do that. Okay. So that's what's going on. And he talks about in Module 8 his secret hack for higher email open rates. Now, he talks about how to go about using their first name or full name. You could do either or. And using the geolocation inside the subject line and inside the emails to get your audience replying to the emails. So when they do that, it increases your domain authority inside the email. Okay. And your open rates start to climb again. Okay. This made a lot of sense when I went through the video, and I can see myself go ahead. I need to actually write that email out to get them to start engaging again. I haven't wrote that email yet. However, I have the traffic going that he suggested you start and you set up. Okay. He said in the training that Jeremy Kennedy showed him that, and he's been doing it ever since. I was like, wow, I have to see what it is. So we got that moving right now, and I'll get back with you in another video update to let you know how that traffic source is doing. Okay. So let's go into the secret traffic source that he talked about way up here in the members area. Okay. It was right around here. All right. No, it's not it. Okay. This right here is this site. It's called Connects. Okay. And it has a marketplace. What he's showing though is you submitting your page and your ad through their ad network. Okay. Now, when I looked up what it is on ChatGPT, so I asked it, "What is the website?" It said, "What is Connects.io, and how does what does it do, and how does it work?" Okay. And it's a cost per lead platform, but I think you could set it in other ways because he showed in the training how you could set it to cost per lead or other parameters that you could set up. He shows you step by step how to do it. And so basically, it's opt-in lead generation. It's easy campaign setup, AI assisted, control over costs and data, upload creative, set daily, monthly budgets, and CPL, or CPL stands for cost per lead, and pick exactly what data you want to collect. Like he goes in, shows you what to pick for, like, to get in that area where you're able to promote, make money online, affiliate offers. Okay. He shows you step by step. I was able to follow along and set it up. You could always ask what it is, what Connects.io is, and he shows you how they connect directly to your autoresponder. You don't have to supply the opt-in form. You just have to connect it to the autoresponder through their connections of the Connects website. Okay. And then he showed, like it shows in the members area, he had 482 new leads in a few days from this site. Okay. Now he does go into about, like, you need to incentivize them for a freebie for the people to come through here, and that's how you get them on your list. I already did one of the bonuses. It's actually one of the bonuses y'all getting for picking up this product too. I'm incentivizing these leads coming in with the same bonus that you also get access to. It's very, very potent bonus you get from me. But yeah, this site, very interesting, very interesting. Now it'd probably be over your head, the tech setup for it. But like I said, he shows you how to set it up, hence why this video right here is 43 minutes, 42 seconds long. It's in depth. He shows you what's going on. He shows, like, if you see the thumbnail, you can see he's going through the back office of the site. All right, he shows some Canva stuff. You can see Canva. That's in this part. He's showing you how to create the banner for the site, and you can kind of see in the thumbnail. I'm gonna go back some. Like, he's got his face, the copy, and he has it for the banner that they're going to use on the site itself. And it just connects seamlessly to the site without you having to provide the opt-in form. You just got to create the list inside said autoresponder. Okay. So now that I showed you that site, now for the people that don't want to do videos and want to do faceless, he does show these sites. Okay. There's a site called Video Gen. So it shows you how to go about using this particular site. Then, of course, there's Pictory. I have Pictory. Now, they have more advanced ones, and I'm sure Pictory is going to be quite advanced in any given day or month, should I say, because AI is moving so fast. Shows you how to go about using ChatGPT and Pictory to create your video scripts for your affiliate promotion with your bonuses. He shows you how to create bonus stacks using AI. Okay, so do I. I show my perspective on it through the third bonus that you get from me from picking up the affiliate whisperer. Okay, so Pictory is another one. So if you want to do faceless review videos, okay, then we got InVideo, generate AI videos with just text. So he shows you how to go about using this site as well. Then the final site he shows you how to use is d slash or hyphen id or d-id.com. He shows you that. And this is another site where you could do faceless stuff. Of course, this is more of agents. It's like a, I've ran across the site before, and this was your clue into, you know how the Matrix has agents, Agent Smith and all the other agents? This is like the beginning of it right here in Matrix, like our real life Matrix.
Welcome to the next.
All right, now it's going to get better as the months progress and some years progress. But yeah, he shows you those four faceless video sources because he wants you to bonus stack and create videos. Okay, because like I said earlier in this review, it is the video in the bonus stack that tripwires the affiliate sale. Okay, because it's kind of like with what Alex Hormozy talks about in $100 million offers book. You see in the back right there. You either have a commoditized offer, which is you direct linking, or you are a product of one, which is you with your affiliate offer bonus stack, including them what they get from the front offer. So they get the perk of the incentive, the product of one, Alex Hormozy talks about. Okay. So you know what bonuses you get. You know the main sites I showed you, all that stuff right there. So the next steps for you, all you have to do is click the link below. All right. There'll be a couple links. There'll be a bonus recap link and there'll be the direct link. Now, the reason I do it that way is to stay true to the whole, you don't need all the fancy sites. We're using the direct link with YouTube with the review video to help tripwire the sale. Okay. Now if it was just a direct link, it's like, oh, buy the product and there's no reason for them to, but yet they'll find a reason to go from someone else to go through another person's affiliate link because they took the time out and went the extra mile to build the bonus stack, to unpack the actual affiliate offer itself so that it combines with the bonus stack to increase perceived value of what they're getting, and also to build FOMO and scarcity around your bonus stack, okay? So that they don't just go at their own leisure, okay? And the typical promo cycle is about 7 to 10 days, sometimes 5 days. It just depends, okay? Depends on certain marketers' capabilities and how much time they need to how much size of a network they have before other people get around to, they're getting their paycheck from their job and they can invest and all these things. And so yeah, it just really depends. Okay, but I kind of slightly tended it there. So yeah, go ahead, click that link below, pick up your 3 bonuses from me. Okay, it is $211 worth of bonuses, exclusive bonuses from me, Chris Ramirez. And I'll see you guys in the bonus members area when you pick it up from your Access Purchase portal from Warrior Plus. And that said, subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Like the video if the content was helpful, the deep dive was helpful. And I already said subscribe. Yeah, subscribe again. All right. Y'all be blessed. See y'all in the members area and in the bonus delivery members area.